Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to denoise your video by using Inshot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your Inshot app here. Now tap on video and here tap on new. Then select the video. Tap on check mark here. And now tap on audio, and here after tapping on this video you guys will see this option, and here is the denoise option. Now I'm going to put the audio level at 200 and now tap on the check mark. Here is another option. If you tap on the volume option, then you guys will find out this, and here you guys can denoise your video. Now export the video and then watch the video. So this is how you guys can denoise your video by using Inshot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.